Okay, welcome back. For example, you have highlighted and you notice that maybe it's too bright. You can actually reduce the opacity. Just look at what it's going to be. I click on this highlighted point. I reduce the opacity. You can see it is still highlighted, but it's like it's a bit reduced depending on what you want. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to dress our croquis. Now you click on the plus to create another page. Whatever you are doing, you must have different pages. It's not easy doing everything in one. It will be difficult for you to color, shade, and do whatever you want to do if you draw all at once. So now I want to draw a long skirt. I change my brush to my felt pen, change my color to black. So I always like to zoom at the waist region. I can draw. Oh, sorry. Okay. You have to be careful. Practice makes perfect. Don't be upset that you are making mistakes. Even me, I make mistakes. Oh, no. I want it to like flare out. You would now draw the style you want. I want my dress to cover my, so now I want to do like if less stuff depending on what I want. I don't like how it turned out, so me. No. This is not bad. So if that's what you want for the skirt, okay, let our skirt carry a band, or let's do it a skirt and just a small top. Let the skirt carry the band, or no, let this band be different so that I can color it with a different color. You create the next one. The next I want to do now is I want to draw my band. So when you look at what you have done, you check if there's any space or not. I think it's covered, it's fine. So now let me draw my band. You draw your band, you still go down, come around like this. That's nice. I create another layer. I think my band is okay. Now let us draw a blouse. I just want to draw a mono stripe. This depends on you. Okay, instead of doing the undo, I can actually erase by the time I'm done. So you have this. Now I want it to, okay, let's make it look like a gown. So as you've gotten to the waist, you still have to take it this way so that you will not have any spill by the time you are filling in your colors. Now let me check. I think it's fine. There's no opening. So let's draw a cascade separately in this other layer we just created. Let's do a cascade, just a small cascade. But instead of a cascade, you're used to doing a cascade, so let's not do a cascade. Let's do like let's make a peplum. Now to get the lines, you click on draw styles, the line. My peplum will start here. That's twice. This is longer. It's not easy, but it's very possible to achieve. I think that one is now longer. I'll take this one a bit. I think this is fine. Then we'll do our, oh sorry, I need to now close the line. Then let's do our 2 5 2 5 2 5. So this is okay. Then you can decide that let's leave the peplum just hanging in front. We don't want to connect our peplum to the back. If yes, let's just do it like that, or should we connect it? Okay, let's just connect it to the back. This shows that it is connected to the back. So now you must have to go this way too, so that you are sure that your peplum is covered. There is no opening. So next thing, we get our draw styles. Remember how I taught you to draw your peplum so that it comes out nice. Don't want to have any space. So get so I'll do that. So this is what we have. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to fill in with colors or fabrics depending on what you want. So let me check that my peplum looks okay. Oh, I need to join my peplum at the waist so that it would be covered. If not, when I draw, when I want to color, there will be a splash. Wow, this is fine. So in our next video, we are going to import image. Okay, we are going to first clean all excesses, then we'll import image, and we import fabrics and color and shade and highlight.